Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. And guess what? Today I have received my new HP computer from Costco. So it just came in the mail. So I'm gonna do unboxing for you. So let us see what has come. Okay, because it arrived very fast. I ordered, I think, 2-3 days ago. Usually it takes time from Costco, but this one, I cannot believe how fast it came. Look at this. Here we go. And my favorite brand is HP because my previous laptop was HP, and I highly recommend it because I had it for 10 years with no issues. And I even didn't take warranty on this, but look at this. So nicely packaged. So if there is this cover, obviously, so it doesn't get, wet or anything. And it's in there. So the laptop that I got is HP laptop 14-inch, Intel processor, solid state drive, no optical drive, and this is the specs on it. And now I'm going to open it for you to let you know what actually is in there. Let's see. So just be careful. Don't want to damage a laptop, so I just want to open it carefully. There we go. I do a lot of writing work and movie editing and everything, so HP does an awesome job. So here you go. You can hear it. Oh my God. I'm so excited because I bought this laptop because it went on sale finally. Oh my Lord. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Nicely packaged. I love the packing. Look at this. It's like a jigsaw puzzle that you can open. Oh, nice. Look at this. Beautiful. And wow, look at the laptop inside. Okay, so there is a little HP tape on it. So I'm gonna open it. And here we go. You gotta open this. Oh, this is double tape, so it closes and opens here as well. So it shows, and there is a nice vent. And you know what I love about this? There's one very strong hinge. So when you open and close the laptop, there is a durability. The hinges that HP makes, I am very, very happy with. It comes with important product information. So it's very important to keep this. And what else is in the package? Before I open the laptop, let's see what else has come. So, okay, obviously, there's a cord that has come. And I love it in the fact that HP has kept the same cord. So most of the laptops that you buy, you can just interchange. So my cord is ready, and I always charge my laptop first before anything. And let's open the laptop. Are you ready? So here we go. Wow, look at this. Look at this. I love the large keys it has. It's a nice keyboard. And with a big mouse. And here you go. I'm sure I'm gonna love it. So this was, and there's a nice camera there. So I'm gonna love my HP laptop 14. And I definitely highly recommend it. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and thumbs up for this video.